Power BI Feature Overview. Explore Power BI as a core capability in Microsoft Teams. The Power BI app in Microsoft Teams makes it easy for anyone in your organization to find and use data. Whether you've recently used it, it's your team's analytics data, or data that your colleagues have shared with you. Simplified navigation brings forward capabilities like Power BI Goals, designed to help you measure results and drive towards clear objectives. The Datasets experience helps you find the organizational datasets that have been shared to you, and you can verify which ones are certified, presenting the most trustworthy related content, such as reports. Opening a report, you can interact with a fully featured experience that supports all the drill down, slicing, and collaboration to reveal insights. For example, that there's a supply chain issue with one product model. It's easy to bring that insight into your collaboration by sending a message directly from the report in Teams to the colleagues in your channels, chats, and meeting chats. They can simply select it to view the exact same insight directly within Power BI. Power BI in Teams makes it easy for anyone to get started creating their own analysis, either by pasting data, picking from an existing dataset, or analyzing your team's usage analytics data. This data gives you your personal view of how you interact in meetings and how you do your chats. You can also review your team's activities for the teams that you own to help enhance your collaboration experiences. Adding a Power BI tab to a meeting, you can immediately use capabilities like Power BI scorecards that contain goals or reports to support your decision-making. Create new goals with just a click. You can pull in data or type it manually, set a target, provide a name, save it, and assign it to an owner. These experiences let you use data to drive clear processes, to understand where you are and who needs to take an action. And most of all, it's easy to keep your team on track, discuss what's at risk, and focus your time on things that aren't going as well as they could. Additionally, integrated notifications bring data right to your activity feed. They open directly inside Teams so you can stay more productive. When you're ready, you can take reports you discover in Teams and bring them into the channels where you're collaborating with your colleagues so that everyone can stay up to date, right alongside all the posts, files, calendar, and other tabs that you already use in Microsoft Teams. Visit aka.ms/PBI Fall 2021 Ignite Teams blog to learn more about how the Power BI app for Microsoft Teams helps everyone in your organization use relevant data to inform better decisions and actions. We welcome you to learn more about Power BI at these links and at powerbi.microsoft.com. Thank you for watching.